Okay, it looks like now it's time to put something together for you guys for our Adobe Premiere series. So let's get started with that. Right now, this is just a window showing the files that we're going to be using for our Premiere project, and it should be pretty straightforward. So let's get going. So if I come down here and click on Premiere, this is our basic home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. And I'm going to title it Mike underscore video underscore 01. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that that's set to my desktop. Or I could browse if I wasn't there. So I'm just going to select desktop and hit choose and hit OK. All right, now this is the basic sort of workspace that we're going to be using in our class. So here we have this is kind of our media browser and library down here. This is our main timeline. Here we have our kind of preview window for our timeline. We have effects over here. And then we have our effects controls and clip editor kind of over here. And hopefully this will make some sense to you. I'm sure these all have proper formal names, but we'll figure that out at some point. Okay, so to start with for our project, like I say, this is going to be pretty straightforward. So we're just going to go ahead and come down here to import media and go File, Import. Okay, so if I go to my downloads folder, you can see that I have all of these guys ready to go. We have a series of PNG graphics, one MP3 music file, and a series of MP4 movie clips. So we're going to take all of those, let's see, all of those, and import them. All right, so you can see that in this library, these are kind of color-coded by the file type. So for the sort of light magenta, we have our PNG graphic files. For the blue, we have our MP4 video files, and our green is an MP3 audio file. So this is going to be a super small project. And so organization isn't going to be that critical, but in general, it makes a lot of sense to keep these things as well organized as possible in separate bins. So if we just select the graphics files here, we can do a new bin and name the bin graphics. And then I guess we have to select those graphics and actually put them in the bin. And the same thing for our clips. So we'll just say clips and create a bin for that and put our clips in there. And that's just something that makes these makes things a little easier to manage, especially when a project gets bigger and bigger. All right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to start working on our individual clips and editing them down or trimming them down and then bringing them into our timeline. So let's take a look at that in our next video. I know that was a short one, but I'm going to try to make these as short as possible. So thanks for watching.